Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to create PayPal Sandbox account. If you're testing PayPal integrations and don't want to accidentally send real money into the digital void, PayPal Sandbox is your best friend. What I usually do is head over to PayPal's developer portal and sign in with a regular PayPal account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create one first. Once inside the dashboard, go to the testing tools section and select Sandbox accounts. From there, click Create Account, choose the account type you want to simulate, and pick the country or region that matches your testing needs. After creating it, PayPal generates a Sandbox email and password for that account. I normally copy those credentials somewhere safe because they're what you'll use to access the test environment. PayPal also provides a Sandbox login page where you can sign in using those details. Once logged in, you can test payments, refunds, and other features without touching real funds. It's basically a practice arena for people where mistakes are completely free. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.